charming. Do you remember anything like that, Ed? I'm sure. Oh. No. God, tastes like crap. I guess we have to make room for this little special activity. You just sit right there, little drinky. Oh my. I'm just bioing everywhere. This is so exciting. Oh, I taste good today. As if Harry's never told me that before. Oh, yeah. Life is so delicious. Oh, the handle glory's burning away. It's crackling and bumping. And we're Suspiria worshipping and head is hanging. Oh, let's get on with our business. This may require a little concentration.